believe this is the boat ramp we're gonna stay at, or try to stay at tonight. Do a little stealth camping.
Turn left.
Parking lot here. This is a nice area. A bunch of volleyball courts. Big old playground up here. They have all kinds of parking here too. This is a nice little park, boat ramp right here. Bathrooms. Let's go see if we can find a place. Well, I think we have our spot where we're gonna camp at. Come on, Goldie. I think we're gonna try staying here at this boat ramp for a day, maybe 2 days. We'll stay here. Little shade right here for the rest of the afternoon. All kinds of parking here, so you must be able to stay here. I think this is gonna be a great spot. This is wonderful here. All this parking. Goldie has all kinds of room to run around. This is wonderful. I like it. Yep. Goldie, she likes it too. She's running around and having a good time. Come on. Come on. All right. I like it.
Wanna go for a walk?
All right. I take it she wants to go for a walk, so let's go take a little tour around this place that we're gonna stay, or at least we're gonna try to stay. Hopefully we don't end up getting kicked out, but let's go walk around, check it out. I'm lucky Goldie's such a good dog. I don't really have to have her on a leash unless there's people, I suppose, around, or it says to have on a leash. She listens so dang good. She just stays right with me when we go for walks. Love her. Nice bathroom area. Let's go in, check it out. You can get a drink of water and stuff here. Let's go see how these look. Clean. They're clean, aren't they, Goldie? Nice. Overall, I'd say bathroom's pretty decent. Let's keep exploring. A couple spots to launch a boat over there. And a couple more over here. Somebody putting their boat in right now, actually. Better record it just in case he puts it in a drink or something. That'd be cool. I mean, that'd be terrible. What am I saying? But I want to go read and see what this sign says. Hickory Point Recreation Complex. Nice spot. Decent. They stock it with striped bass. Decent. These trees are so cool. I love the way they look. Hey bird, what's up? A little manatee in this area as well, possibly. Nice. Bunch of boat docks over there. You can go fishing. There's people over there fishing. Heck yeah. Super nice place. Gosh, them trees are so cool. Love the way them look. What a nice boat ramp this is. Bathrooms. Bathrooms, I believe, are open 24 hours, so as long as we don't get kicked out of here tonight, we're going to stay here tonight, and I'll have a bathroom and everything. That's great. Running water. I don't think we could find really a much nicer place. Like I said, if we don't get kicked out of here, this is going to be fantastic. I know Goldie approves of this spot because she don't have to be on a leash or on a chain or anything. She just kind of can run around. Right? You don't even have to be on your leash or nothing, do ya? You can just kind of roam around, can't you, honey? Come on. Gotta stop at every post, you know. Come on. This is a cool spot. Pretty cool building. We're gonna walk out on this little pier and check this out. Whole bunch of people out here fishing. Holy buckets. Wonder if they're catching anything. Pretty. Trees are so cool. This guy's got a great setup. He's got a cart. He just pulls all his fish and stuff out with him. That's a nice setup he got there.
Okay, sir.
You bet.
What you got there?
Catching anything today?
No, I just got here.
Oh, did ya? Okay.
What's your puppy's name?
Goldie.
Hey, Goldie, what you doing?
Come here. Come say hi.
I like puppies.
Look at all the poles he's got set up there. That's super cool. That's how you go fishing. Check out his pole holder. It's on one of those clamps with a couple bolts through it. And then tighten down. That is slick. He's got all kinds of them here. Look at that. Just lined up with poles. Super cool. Just kind of standing here watching these people fish, and I'm just kind of amazed how many poles there is that they're using. The whole thing is just lined on both sides with fishing poles all the way out there, all the way to the end. It's crazy. I've been here for like a half hour and I haven't seen anybody catch anything yet though. So apparently it must not be working the best. Hold on, Goldie. Jeez. That was interesting. Checking out that little fishing pier back there. All them people out there fishing with all them fishing poles. I just can't. That's crazy. I've never seen so many people. Well, it's not so many that there were so many people, but just so many fishing poles. The whole thing was just stacked with fishing poles. And I stood there for probably about 35, 45 minutes, something like that, and I didn't see a single person catch a single thing. Ridiculous. Well, we're gonna go continue our little walk and see what else we can find around here. This is a sweet boat ramp where we're at. Really nice. Yeah, that's where everybody is out there fishing. Crazy. They have a nice little beach area here too, but I want to show you if I can zoom in. See that sign right there? Beware of alligators. Swim at your own risk. Yeah, no, I'm good. Not going swimming here. But this is a really nice place. This is a super nice boat ramp. Holy buckets. They have some more bathrooms right over here. Volleyball courts up over there. They have a bunch of hiking trails right here. Wow. That's really neat. We're gonna have to walk through here. We're not gonna do that today. We'll do that tomorrow. It'll give us something to do tomorrow to check out. For now, I think we shall walk back to the car, I think is what we're gonna do right now. Maybe make something for dinner. I'm kind of getting hungry. Wouldn't mind making a sandwich. Or maybe cooking something. Who knows? Well, let's head back to the car. Someone's hungry. She had to have a little dinner after we went for our walk. I was gonna make something for dinner, but then I got a glimpse at this beautiful sunset, so we gotta go check out this sunset. Let's take a look at this real quick. Can't really see it through there, but we're gonna walk down here so that we can get a look at the sunset tonight. Looks beautiful. Let's go check it out. Let's take a look at this sunset and walk out here. Look at that. How pretty is that? So nice. Finished walking out here. Somebody just coming in from fishing. Very nice. Hopefully they caught something. Check that out. Isn't that pretty? Really zoom in there. Just about gone for the day. The sun. It was a beautiful day. That's so pretty. Well, my friends, that was a beautiful sunset, and that is a beautiful sunset. Hopefully you enjoyed your day with us as we kind of toured around, went to a flea market today, toured around this park. It was a beautiful day. We had an awesome day, didn't we, Goldie? Where is she? Didn't we, Goldie? We had a good day. Yes, we did. We had a great day. Thank you for watching. Hope you had a good day. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, all that fancy stuff. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Good morning. Let's do a little update on our stealth car camping spot that we stayed at last night. Goldie, she's already outside. Have the bed made. I'm just kind of sitting here. Windows are still covered. Oh, there was Goldie right there. Let's get out and I'll show you around. Good morning, Goldie. Sun just starting to come up over there. This is where we ended up staying last night. What a beautiful spot this was. Not extremely stealthy. Public boat ramp. But dang, this was perfect. Beautiful sunrise. It's gonna be a great day. Hope you have a beautiful day, everybody. Have a good day, Goldie, right?